Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free plugin which will help you convert the JPG and PNG images on your WordPress website into a WebP or AVIF file format. You can also compress the file size of all the images, and I'm going to use a free plugin. The name of the plugin is CompressX. Here you will see the core features of the plugin: convert AVIF and compress AVIF files. You can also convert all the JPG and PNG files in WebP, and you can compress the WebP files, exclude folders, custom folders, auto process new images, and auto remove large images, restore original images. So all these features are available in the free version. When you convert and compress the JPG and PNG images on your WordPress website into WebP or AVIF, it is going to increase the speed of your WordPress website. Here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WordPress website. Let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and here search for CompressX. This is the plugin AVIF WebP converter, and you can see that this plugin has been installed on more than 10,000 WordPress websites. So click on install now and click on activate plugin. So the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel you will see the option CompressX. Click on it. And now we are on the dashboard of the CompressX plugin. At the top you will see a toggle button. Enable it to convert the new uploaded images into WebP or AVIF. So whenever you upload a new image on your WordPress website, it is automatically going to convert that image into WebP or AVIF. So I'm going to enable this option. Below that you will see the option library to process images, and you will see two different options here, GD and Imagic. And you will see the explanation here. Choose the PHP extension to process the images. There are two different types of libraries, GD and Imagic. I'm going to keep it as it is. Next to that you will see the option watermark, which is not available for the free version. Using this you can apply a watermark on all the images. Apply a watermark when uploading new images. That is also available for the pro version. Below that you will see the compression level, lossless and lossy or custom. So you can change the compression level from here. I'm going to keep it as it is, and you will see the explanation here: lossless, a compression level of 99, a compression level of 90. So you will see all these symbols and their meaning. The default level is a compression level of 80, which is this one. So I'm going to keep it as it is. Below that you will see general settings, and there are two options: use rewrite rule and use picture tag. Here you will see the explanation. Rewrite rule: load the WebP and AVIF images by adding a rewrite rule to the .htaccess file. So if the browser supports AVIF file, then it is going to load the AVIF images. If the browser is not supporting AVIF files, then it will load the WebP files automatically. And the second option is picture tag: load WebP and AVIF images by replacing the image tags with picture tags. So it is going to replace the image tag with the picture tag. So I'm going to select this option, use picture tag. Below that you will see the option do not convert PNG images. If you do not want to convert the PNG images into WebP or AVIF, you can check these options. Then we have remove EXIF data. Here you will see the explanation: remove meta tag recorded in images, only supported by Imagic, including geolocation, timestamp, authorship, image summary, etc. So I'm going to keep it as it is. Below that you will see parameters of processing images. How many WordPress image attachments can be processed in one Ajax cycle? I'm going to keep it as it is to default. Then we have automatic removal of files in output format larger than the original ones. Leave it as it is. Auto resize large images, and these are the large images size which you can set up. Enable auto resizing, which is already checked. Then we have remove header, always set cache control. I'm going to keep it as it is and click on save changes. Below that we have choose thumbnail size, and these are the thumbnail sizes. Then we have exclude folders. If you want to exclude a folder, you can exclude the folder. Then we have custom folders. These are the custom folders. So I'm going to keep it as it is. And when you want to delete all the WebP and AVIF files which are generated by this plugin, you can simply type in delete and click go, and it will delete all the files which are generated by this plugin. Right, so I'm going to keep it as it is. Now let's go to the top section, and you will see the output formats are set to WebP and AVIF. So it is going to convert all the images in both the formats, WebP and AVIF, and it is going to automatically load the file on the website which is browser compatible. If the browser supports WebP, then it is going to load that WebP file. If the browser supports AVIF, it is going to load the AVIF file. Now in this case, I'm going to select only one option, that is WebP. Right now here you will see start bulk processing. If you already have images uploaded to your website, it is going to process those images and it will convert those images into WebP and AVIF file. So I'm going to click on start bulk processing. On this demo website, we have 45 images. It is converting them into WebP. We have selected only one format, that is WebP. All right, so it is done. 45 images are converted into WebP. You will see the analytics here. Outputted to WebP is 100%. Now let's go to this website, refresh it, and we have some images here. If I open this image, inspect it, if I go to network, it will show the type of the image which is used. You will see this is the image which is loaded, a WebP format. If I go to media, and if I open one image here, let's open this one, and you will see the original file size of this image is 183 KB, and when we convert it into WebP, the file size has been reduced and it has already generated 8 different thumbnails. If I go to another image here, the original file size is 152 KB and WebP file size is 70 KB, which is almost 53% saving. So it has reduced the file size and converted the JPG image into a WebP format. Now let's go back to CompressX. And if you want to use both the file formats, you can select AVIF option also. And you can start the processing. It will convert all the images into AVIF file format. All right, so it's done. Let's go back to media and let's open one image. And now you will see the information about this image. The original file size is 194 KB, WebP file size is 110 KB, and AVIF file size is 75 KB. Now this demo website is hosted on Hostinger, and if I go to File Manager, under WP Content, you will see this new folder created, and under this folder you will see all the images which are converted. So all these converted images will be saved under this folder. You will see AVIF file, you will also see WebP file. So if you are looking for a free plugin to convert the JPG and PNG images on your WordPress website into WebP or AVIF, you can try using the free CompressX plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.